Are you tired of outdated car gadgets or struggling with basic car features? Some helpful gadgets from Amazon can help solve many of these issues. In today's video, we'll take a look at some of the most innovative car gadgets available online. Number 30. AUTOPHIX. Your check engine light just came on. Panic? Not anymore. This tiny Bluetooth car diagnostic tool plugs right into your vehicle and connects to your phone, showing you exactly what's going on under the hood. You can read and clear error codes, track speed, RPM, and even monitor battery health in real time. It works with almost any car made after 1996. No more guessing or costly mechanic visits. Just plug in, scan, and drive smarter. Once you try it, you'll never drive blind again. Number 29. Oono Co-Driver N02. Stay alert and drive smarter with the Oono Co-Driver. This clever little gadget keeps you aware of speed cameras and road hazards in real time using simple light and sound alerts. No screens, no distractions. Just press a button and stay focused while it does the work. Thanks to a community of over 8 million drivers, every warning is accurate and up to date. No apps to stare at, no monthly fees, just pure, effortless road awareness that makes every trip smoother and safer. Number 28. In-Car VR. This in-car VR device syncs perfectly with your vehicle's motion to give you a truly immersive experience. It's a retrofit solution that works with any car, no matter the brand or model year, letting you enjoy Holoride's motion-synced content anywhere. So if you're playing games, watching movies, or learning something new, it turns every trip into a fun, next-level adventure. The setup is quick and simple, so you can jump straight into your favorite experiences without hassle. Number 27. Camco Trailer. Flat tire on your trailer doesn't have to ruin your trip. The Camco Trailer Aid Plus lifts one tire at a time, raising the other 5.5 inches instantly. No unloading, no jacks, no hassle. RV owners rely on it because when every minute counts, this little ramp keeps you moving. Number 26. Lectron Plugs. For EV owners, charging just got a major upgrade. Cars with a CCS1 port can now access over 25,000 Tesla supercharger stations using this NACS to CCS adapter. Rated for 500 amps and 1000 volts, it can add up to 240 kilometers of range in just 15 minutes. A dual locking mechanism keeps it securely connected, and its compact design fits easily in the glove compartment. Number 25. CarCine. This is a portable cinema made specifically for cars. It comes with a compact 2K DLP projector, offering 700 lumens of brightness and an ultra-short throw lens, paired with a 32-inch screen that unfolds automatically at the push of a button. The screen attaches securely to the roof with heavy-duty suction cups, and the built-in battery supports up to 200 open and close cycles. Everything is controlled through an app, and the audio connects to your car's sound system via Bluetooth, creating a full in-car movie experience. Number 24. Michelin Uptis Airless Tires. Imagine tires that never go flat. The Airless tire does exactly that, using a 3D printed, eco-friendly design that eliminates punctures and the need for constant pressure checks. It also helps cut down on scrap tire waste by over 20%, while offering a smoother ride over bumps and obstacles, making daily driving easier and more reliable. Number 23. WOLFBOX Mirror Cam. Its 4K front and 1080p rear cameras capture every detail, while the massive 12-inch display gives you 1.5 times more viewing area than a standard mirror, cutting blind spots and boosting safety. The 170-degree front and 140-degree rear lenses widen your view even further, and the smart split screen lets you watch both angles at once. Thanks to 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking, you can view, replay, or share footage instantly through the WOLFBOX app. Number 22. Foam Cannon. Make car washing easy with this adjustable snow foam sprayer. It holds 1 liter of liquid and works with pressure washers from 1000 to 3000 psi, giving you thick, rich foam, just like a professional car wash. You can adjust the foam to your liking and switch between 5 different nozzles for all kinds of cleaning. Built strong for long use, it works on all surfaces without leaks or mess. With simple setup and smooth performance, this snow foam sprayer takes your car wash to the next level. Number 21. HUD Display. It uses advanced dual-mode GPS plus BDS chip technology for super fast and accurate speed tracking. With a high refresh rate of 10 Hz and the ability to detect up to 32 satellites, it gives you stable, real-time data no matter where you drive, in the city or out on the open road. The screen adjusts brightness automatically based on the light around you. The built-in alert keeps you safe by flashing or beeping whenever you go over your set speed limit. It's like having a gentle reminder to slow down and stay safe. Number 20. E-Board Electric Side Step. The E-Board Electric Side Step is a smart way to make tall vehicles more accessible. When you open the door, the step automatically slides out, giving passengers a stable platform to step on, and it retracts neatly when the door closes, so it doesn't change the car's look. Made from strong, weather-resistant materials, it can handle heavy use without wearing out. On top of that, it reduces the chance of slips or falls, and even protects your vehicle's sides from small bumps and scrapes, combining convenience with safety. Number 19. Keto One Key. This is a compact gadget that, when paired with its mobile app, transforms your smartphone into a smart car key, offering all the functions of your traditional key without the hassle of carrying it. Once connected via a regular USB port, no complex installation needed, Keto enables your car to start only when your phone is nearby. The app also allows you to easily unlock your doors and trunk, share access with friends or family by setting time-limited digital keys, and even manually retrieve the key if something goes wrong. It's a seamless, secure, and convenient upgrade to modern car access. Number 18. Hardtent. Sleep comfortably outdoors with the Hardsider Hardtent, built for adventure lovers who want both comfort and protection on the road. This rooftop SUV tent features strong hard-sided walls that block out noise and bad weather, helping you rest well. It folds down to just 7 inches, making it easy to carry and store. Inside, a quality mattress with a Frolly spring system gives great support and airflow for a better night's sleep. The custom rack includes a built-in gasket system that seals tightly, keeping the tent dry and secure even when folded. Number 17. Lookit Rear Vision System. A sleek wireless camera that lets you check your rear view in seconds. The camera fits right into your license plate frame and runs on a battery that can last up to 4 years. No drilling, no messy wires. Just mount it, sync it, and you're set. A handy quick view button on your steering wheel or dashboard lets you see the feed instantly, and your phone stays put on a magnetic mount. You get a clear, wide-angle view with optional parking lines, and only devices you authorize can access it, keeping everything secure. Number 16. RapidX X5. If you need to charge multiple devices while on the go, the multi-device car charger is the perfect solution. Designed with convenience in mind, this sleek and compact charger plugs directly into your car's 12-volt to 24-volt outlet or cigarette lighter socket. It features 2 2.4 amp ports and 3 2 amp ports, allowing you to charge up to 5 devices at once, ideal for smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered gadgets. With a total output of up to 10.8 amps and fast charging capabilities, it powers your devices up to twice as fast as standard chargers. The included 5-foot cable adds extra flexibility, ensuring everyone in the car can stay powered up without fighting over outlets. Number 15. Sun blocker. Tired of being blinded by the sun while driving? This magnetic visor extender blocks glare from every angle. Just slide it left, right, up, or down for perfect coverage. Made with high-quality polarized lenses, it filters harsh sunlight and harmful UV rays while keeping your view crystal clear. Strong and stable, it won't shake or fall even with the windows open, and it installs in seconds. no tools needed. It works for both the windshield and side windows, giving you safer, more comfortable drives every time. Number 14. Tire Repair Sealant. Ever had a flat tire at the worst time? This portable tire sealant spray is the quick fix you need. Small and easy to carry, it's designed to seal small punctures on the spot. No jack, no spare, no stress. Just spray it into the tire, wait a few minutes, and you're back on the road. A great option for daily commutes or highway emergencies, it saves time, money, and hassle. Think of it as a mini mechanic in your glove box. Safe, affordable, and super convenient. Number 13. Sodaride multi-tool. Your car flips, seatbelt jams, water's rising. This tiny Sodaride escape tool is built for that exact moment. Its tungsten steel tip smashes windows in seconds, even underwater or in extreme heat, while the sharp seatbelt cutter frees you fast. A built-in light offers 2 modes, strobe for emergencies and full light for visibility, lasting up to 6 hours on a single charge with its USB-C port. Compact, keychain ready, and tested 10,000 times. It never fails. Number 12. Keep car alarm. The moment someone approaches your vehicle, it triggers a loud siren and flashes bright red lights. But that's just the start. If anyone tries to get inside, the system instantly records video, uploads it to the cloud, and sends alerts. It takes just a minute. Just place it in your cup holder, twist a couple of times, and it stays securely in place. Once you're always in touch with your car, receiving real-time HD video and photos. Number 11. Temperature sensor adapter. Keep your engine cool and safe with this connection sleeve with a built-in temperature sensor hole. Made from strong aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it's designed to protect your engine and keep it running smoothly. The sensor hole allows precise temperature checks, so you'll never have to worry about overheating again. Installation is quick and easy with 2 adjustable clamps, getting you back on the road in no time. Number 10. BLUETTI Charger 2. For trips where outlets are hard to find, this smart power hub keeps your devices and gear running. It's the first dual-channel charger that can power portable stations simultaneously from a vehicle generator and solar panels. With up to 200 watts of combined output, it charges up to 13 times faster than a standard cigarette lighter. Battery link technology lets you run a fridge or charge devices while parked without draining your starter battery. Number 9. GPS Speedometer. This isn't your typical car gadget. It's a pilot-style digital dashboard upgrade. The GPS speedometer shows speed, altitude, compass direction, and pitch and roll angles right in front of you. Using GPS and BDS dual satellite systems, it delivers accurate readings even in remote areas. The 6.88-inch screen auto-dims for day or night, and you can choose from 8 ambient colors to match your style. Just plug it in. No apps or complicated setup required. Number 8. Tire Inflator. It can pump a car tire from 0 to 36 psi in just 6 minutes or fill a bike tire in only 15 seconds. With 5 preset modes, 4 pressure units, and auto shutoff, it makes inflation quick, safe, and effortless. It also works as a USB power bank and has a 3-mode LED flashlight for emergencies. Compact yet powerful, its 6,000 mAh battery keeps you rolling anytime, anywhere. Small enough to fit in your glove box, big enough to save your day. Number 7. Hudwaydrive Head-Up Display. With this, you can upgrade your driving experience with this head-up display, designed to keep you focused on the road while providing essential information. Connecting to your phone via Bluetooth, it effortlessly syncs with your favorite navigation apps, allowing you to receive notifications and texts without compromising safety. Its sleek design blends seamlessly into any car interior, and it also supports hands-free phone calls. Installation is quick and easy, taking just a few seconds. Additionally, explore features like side and rear view cameras with wide-angle lenses, weatherproof construction, and night vision for clear visibility in the dark, ensuring every drive is safer and more enjoyable. Number 6. Auto-dimming mirror. Driving at night? can be uncomfortable and even dangerous due to the glare from headlights behind you, which reflects in your rearview mirror and strains your eyes. An auto-dimming mirror is a simple yet effective solution to this problem. It automatically detects bright lights and adjusts the mirror's tint to reduce glare, improving your visibility and making nighttime driving much easier on your eyes. This feature is especially helpful for people who frequently drive after dark, as it helps reduce eye strain, prevents distractions, and enhances overall safety on the road. Easy to install and use, the auto-dimming mirror adds both comfort and convenience, allowing you to stay focused and drive with more confidence during nighttime journeys. Number 5. Drop Stop. Drop Stop provides 100% gap coverage around the seatbelt catch, attaching securely via a built-in slot that moves with the seat so there's no need to readjust or reinstall. As seen on Shark Tank, it blocks the dangerous gap between your car or truck seat and the center console, preventing items from slipping through. The original patented seat gap filler is built to last a lifetime and will never fall apart. Number 4. Solar-powered exhaust fan. Breathe fresh and stay healthy with this solar-powered car exhaust fan. It promotes air circulation inside your car, creating a non-toxic and comfortable environment for you and your family. Powered by polycrystalline solar panels, it charges without needing an external power source, saving energy while running efficiently. The fan features separate switches for solar and battery use, giving you full control. With a 3-duct, 3-motor design, it reaches up to 4,500 revolutions per minute for powerful ventilation. Number 3. Trunk organizer. Keep your car trunk neat and organized with this durable storage organizer. Made from high-density 600D Oxford fabric, it offers 40% more capacity and better structure than mesh pockets. The reinforced stitching with double-density weave makes it strong, tear-resistant, and waterproof for long-lasting use. With 8 roomy pockets of different sizes, you can easily store and separate your essentials to avoid clutter. Number 2. Car electric blanket. If your car still feels chilly, this wearable blanket keeps you warm on the go. Measuring 150 by 110 centimeters, the flannel electric blanket has built-in heating elements powered through the cigarette lighter. Snap buttons convert it into a poncho-style wrap, so your hands stay free while driving. 2 heat levels with an automatic shutoff help protect the car battery, and the 2.3-meter cable reaches the rear seats. Number 1. DXZtoz Borescope. This endoscope helps you easily see into tight or hard-to-reach spaces. With its 210-degree articulating 8.5mm camera, you can move around obstacles and get a clear view wherever needed. The 2.0-megapixel camera captures detailed images, and the adjustable brightness lets you see clearly even in dark areas. Its 4.3-inch IPS screen shows everything in true color. No app required. Waterproof and flexible, it's perfect for plumbing, oil checks, and car repairs. With handy accessories like a hook, magnet tip, and side mirror, jobs that once took hours can now be done in minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, so make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already.